students, good morning. Today we are going to learn about nationalism in India. History second lesson, nationalism in India. As India how got independent. What are the problems faced by the freedom fighters? What is the role of Gandhi? We are going to learn about history. Last week we have got a 10th standard result. You know about everything. In social sciences, really very easiest subject. You can score good mark. I told you so many times, but you can't believe. But now, what is the result? You know about that. Out of 16 students, 15 students got more than 80 mark in social science subject only. Okay, so you can give more important for social science. You can get good marks. Okay, we can go to lesson. First, in India occupied by so many colonies. For example, British, French, Vietnam. Okay, so many countries occupied India and ruled India more or less more than 500 years. So in the in between gap, so many freedom fighting. First Indian freedom fight was in 1857. Okay, Gandhiji also come to India 1915 after independence, after the quarrel with the blacks, white people in South Africa. He came to India 1915. Gandhiji tried to force the group of together within one movement, that is called cooperation and civil disobedience movement. With the help of non-cooperation, with the help of non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement, he fight with the British people, opposite people. Nationalism in India. First topic is the First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. Three functions are here. The First World War, second one is Khilafat, and third one is non-cooperation movement. First one, in the year after 1919, after the World War, First World War, the First World War time 1914 to 1918. Listen me ma, this is history, we cannot take notes. Okay, we want to teach line by line. You can read full book, every line you want to read, otherwise you will lose your 1 mark. It's because of that only I am explaining line by line. In the year after 1919, we see national movements spreading to new areas, incorporating new social group and developing new modes of struggle. So after the World War, there are more groups formed and oppose the British people. Okay, first of all, the war created a new economic and political situation. Really, the Second World War made more economical problem in India, not only in India but for British people also, because in the war British people for defense they spend more money. Because of that they are financially weak. Who? The British people. So they have increased the tax. Because of that our people affected more. Custom duties were raised and income tax introduced. Who introduced income tax? The British people. Through the war air prices increased, doubling between 1913 to 1918. So they spend more money. If they are spending 100 crore in 1913, in 1918 they have spent 200 crore. It is doubling, not a single, double. So villages were called upon the supply of soldiers compulsory. The British people called the village people to fight with the opposite people. First World War, forced recruitment. Because of that, so many people were not satisfied with the rule of British people. The 1918 to 1919, 1920 to 1910, crops failed on the time because of no rain and some other problem. Crops also failed. So this also made more poverty in India. It is making on the next time influenza. This is one kind of fever. Influenza epidemic. Yes, according to census, 13 million people, 12 to 13 million people. How many people? 12 to 13 million people were died, perished. So these problems are made oppose the India. So Gandhiji planned to make this is the time to oppose the British people and made Satyagraha. Idea of Satyagraha. What is meant by Satyagraha? Satyagraha means without violence. What is that? Without violence, he opposed the enemies. That is called Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi returned. Yes, when he returned from South Africa, January 1915. When he returned from South Africa, he returned 1915. 1915. So he fight. Who fight? Gandhiji fight in South Africa against the racist problem. Racist problem means black and white. White people dominated black people. So he fought against the white people and win that. In the battle he was win. So after that he came to India. He want to follow the Dharma. What is that? Dharma, non-violence in India also. So after arriving in India, Mahatma Gandhi successfully organized Satyagraha movement in various places. Satyagraha means non-violence. Okay, so he planned 1916. What is that? 1916 traveled to Champaran. These are one mark, map one mark. Note it carefully. Don't miss it. Champaran. Okay, Champaran in Bihar. Where is Champaran in Bihar? In 1916 Champaran he was made Satyagraha in Champaran. Peasant struggle against the oppressive plantation system. Why he is making? Okay, because of plantation system for the farmers. Plantation system in 1916. These are map one mark. Okay, note it. 1917 organized Satyagraha support peasant of Kedah. This is the second one. 1916 one, 1917 one. Next third one is district of Gujarat affected by crop failure and plague epidemic. Next third one, 1918 cotton mill worker. Ahmedabad cotton mill worker. 1916, 1917, 1918. 1916 Champara, 1917 Satyagraha in Kedah. 1918 Satyagraha in Ahmedabad for cotton mill worker. So these three one marks are very very important. Next, Rowlatt Act. What is meant by Rowlatt Act? Nothing. Without any intimation, without any reason, the British people, Rowlatt Act, I am telling about Rowlatt Act, without any intimation, without any reason, they can arrest any people. That is called Rowlatt Act. As if you are going on the road, they can arrest you. You can't ask any question. That is called Rowlatt Act. So what happened because of that? Because of the Rowlatt Act, all the people, so many people were arrested and put in the jail. So they were affected. So Gandhiji opposed this employment with success. Gandhiji 19 decided to launch a national-wide Satyagraha against the purpose of Rowlatt Act. 1913, 1919 he made. Act had been hurried, passed through the Imperial Legislative Council. They can arrest civil disobedience. So because of that, Gandhiji made a civil disobedience movement such injustice law. So and then rally in a Parani. Rally was organized in various cities. Workers went on strike and railway workshop. Railway people also joined in this. Next, alarmed by the popular upsurge, it made Gandhiji become famous. Local leaders were also picked up from Amritsar. In Tamil, Amritsar. Mahatma Gandhi was barred from entering Delhi. On 10th April, police Amritsar fired upon the peaceful procession of provoking an attack. Amritsar fired upon the peaceful procession, provoking widespread attack on bank, post office and railway station. Everywhere people were attacked. Material law was imposed on the General Tyre Command. What command? In the Jallianwala Bagh. Yes, 19. This is one of the one mark. Map one mark and one mark also. April 13. Then famous Jallianwala Bagh inside General Tire. This is one of the ground. What is that? This is one of Jallianwala Bagh, one of the ground. There is only one way. Thousands of people were in the ground. Some innocent people also. They don't know about the incident. Okay, on the time, General Tire closed the way, only one way, and ordered to fire the people. So the people can't escape anywhere. Some of the people fell on the well. There is one well, Canara. Okay, want to escape from the fire, so they have fell on the well. Most of the people were killed by General Tire. Because of that, as the news Jallianwala was spread, this news was spread all over India. Crowd took street. Many North Indian towns there were strike clashes with the police. On the time, so many people were fight with the police because police only shoot that, attack the government building, get more angry because thousands of people died. No, because of that, people get angry and destroy everything, government building. So the government responded with a brutal repression, seeking to humiliate and terrorize people who were damaging the government building. They were attacked severely by the police. Satyagraha is forced to rub means nose, மூக்கை வந்து தரையில் வச்சு தேய்க்கிறாங்க. Rub their nose on the ground, growl on the street, growl உருள்றாங்க, தவழ்ந்து போகிறது, growl on the street and do salam, salute, make salute to the Sahibs, as the famous personalities in the cities. People were flogged and villages were bombed. Seeing violence spread, Mahatma Gandhi called off the movement. Which movement? Non-disobedient movement, non-cooperation movement. So he cancelled that. Who cancelled? Gandhiji cancelled. While the Rowlatt Satyagraha had been widespread movement, it was still limited mostly to cities and town. It is very very important. Mahatma Gandhi now felt the need to launch a more broad-faced movement in India. Now listen me carefully. History, every line, each and every line is very very important. This is the story only. You are not going to read any equation or something, formula. You are not going to read formula. This is the story, that's all. So read it carefully. What happened in the lesson? Okay. One way of doing this, he felt, was to took off Khilafat issue. The First World War had ended with the defeat of Ottoman Turkey. The First World War, we know about that, 1914 to 1918. So Germany was lost everything, Ottoman Turkey. Okay, lost everything, and there were rumors that a harsh peace treaty was going to be imposed on Ottoman Empire. So all the developed country take revenge in the first. Because of that only Second World War happened. We know about that because we have learned about Hitler also. In the Hitler lesson I have explained everything. To defend Khilafat temporal power, Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay March. When they made a Khilafat committee 1919 in Bombay. So young general Muslim leader like a brother Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Shaukat Ali Jinnah, Muhammad Ali, Shaukat Ali, the two brothers, Muslim brothers, made a Khilafat movement. Began discussing with the Mahatma Gandhi about the possibility of united mass action issue. So they are going to meet Gandhiji and discuss about the mass movement against the British people. So Gandhiji saw this an opportunity to bring Muslim. This is very good opportunity. Before that, Muslims and Hindu were not organized in any meeting, but this is the good opportunity to make relationship between Muslims and Hindus. So Gandhiji accepted, and in the Calcutta session, this also one of the map 1 mark Calcutta session, whereas 1920 September, convinced the other leader of the need to start non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat while for Swaraj. So once again, after Jallianwala Bagh, he cancelled the non-cooperation movement. Once again, 1920, he is introducing non-cooperation movement. Why? Next topic is why non-cooperation movement? Because of Swaraj. We need Purana Sudanthiram, Swaraj. Okay, why non-cooperation movement? In his famous book Hindu Swaraj 1919, Mahatma Gandhi declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation. We are cooperating with the British people. Because of that only they are ruling us. If we are not cooperate with the British people, how they will rule us? So Gandhiji is asking question. Indians and had survived only because of cooperation. Yes, British people were survived with the help of our cooperation. If Indians refused to cooperate, how they will rule? They will collapse. So how could non-cooperation become movement? Gandhiji proposed that the movement should unfold on stage. It should begin with the surrender of title. Okay, for example, if how could non-cooperation become movement? Form of court on the council. They are not buying. The buy got everything. The students are not going to school. The police are not going to police station. Civil service government employees are not going to civil service, and then they surrender the title. And the army people not going to work. Next court judges also not going to court. Legislative councils are also school. Students are not going to school. Foreign goods. We are not buying the foreign goods. Because of that, so many problems faced by British people. Then in case government used repression, a full civil disobedience campaign would be launched. If the British government control the people, they plan to launch the next plan. Okay, so through the summer 1920, Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali toured extensively, mobilizing popular support for theirs. The two leaders going inside the village everywhere and asking extensively support. Okay, so many with the Congress were, however, concerned about the proposal. So Congress people also, so they were reluctant to boycott the council election scheduled for 1920, and they feared that movement might lead to popular violence in the months between September and December. There was intense duel, intense clash model within the Congress. So within the Congress, they are starting the fight. This is the problem because we are not organized properly. For a while, there seemed no meeting point between the supporters and the opponent of the movement. Finally, at the Congress session at Nagpur, December. This is one of the one mark. Nagpur, when Nagpur is happened, December 1920. Compromise was worked out and non-cooperation program was adopted. Yes, it is happened. So this is the first topic. You can read the lesson fully. Okay, you don't want to leave any line. This is the story only. Don't fear about history. Definitely you can get good marks. Thank you.